Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency trading platform in the US, is going public and will have its IPO on April 14th. Today I am addressing the question, should you invest directly at the IPO, or is there something else to consider? Greetings everyone, and welcome back to Stock Miner. At the beginning of the video, I will quickly familiarize you with the company, give you some key figures and show you their business pipeline. In the second part, we come to the IPO itself, everything you need to know and how such similar big IPOs have performed in the past. And finally, I will tell you my conclusion, my personal opinion, and what I'm going to do. Alright then, I'm hyped. Let's get started. Coinbase is known worldwide for its simple and easy to use structure. I myself live in Switzerland and also use Coinbase for my investments in cryptocurrencies. But what are the goals of this company? Based on the principles of Bitcoin, Coinbase wants to create an open and independent financial system for the whole world. This is done through a platform where financial services can be transacted easily and quickly. Everyone in the world should be able to send and receive digital assets like Bitcoin in a simple, fast, and secure way. So how is the company actually doing? Let's take a look at some numbers for that. Coinbase recently announced its Q1 numbers for 2021, and believe me, those are huge. In 2020, Coinbase had 43 million verified users. According to the latest figures, the platform saw an increase of 13 million users, bringing the total to 56 million. That's a 30% growth in just one quarter. The lifetime trading volume is almost $500 billion. In the process, Coinbase now manages $223 billion worth of cryptocurrency. This gives Coinbase a share of crypto market capitalization of over 11% and steadily rising. So last year, Coinbase generated a revenue of $1.2 billion. In the process, they registered a whopping $322 million in profit, which translates to a 25% margin. The Q1 numbers for this year, on the other hand, are even bigger. In this quarter, Coinbase recorded a revenue of $1.8 billion, which is more than the annual revenue of 2020. They have a net profit of about $760 million, which is a margin of 42%. If Coinbase maintains these numbers, that equates to 300% growth, which is astronomical. But beware, this is all very deceptive. Let's take a look at how an IPO normally behaves. In a study, 220 IPOs of various companies were collected to observe a dependency. On the first day, the stocks shot up by 80% on average. Of course, this stock is subject to extreme volatility in the first few months. The reason for this is mainly the hype generated by many investors and traders as they try to make a quick profit. The Coinbase stock goes to the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol COIN. Almost 115 million shares are outstanding. Coinbase is valued at roughly $68 billion on the private markets, but that rises to more than $100 billion when including Coinbase's fully diluted share count. So you see, this is a pretty big fish coming to the stock exchange. But let's look back at Coinbase's Q1 numbers again. How is it that this company was able to deliver such astronomical figures? The reason is this. The Bitcoin price has been overshooting all targets lately, continuously breaking its all-time highs. And this is where I think the risk of the Coinbase IPO comes into play. Let's look at the dependence of Coinbase's revenue figures and the price of Bitcoin. 2016, the Bitcoin price makes a whole bunch of nothing. 2017, it shoots through the roof and reaches its all-time high of $20,000. The downturn follows. In 2018 and 19, the Bitcoin price reaches a high of $13,000 and doesn't break through its all-time high once. The same pattern can be found in the sales figures of Coinbase. 2016, Coinbase generates a revenue of a few $1 million. In 2017, however, reaching almost $1 billion US. And just like the price of Bitcoin, Coinbase lost revenue year over year in 2018 and 19. A clear pattern. Coinbase is a slave to the Bitcoin price. The price of Bitcoin moves in cycles, 4-year cycles. The halving events in the past caused an exponential rise of the Bitcoin price, followed by a collapse. We had a halving event in 2020, and what we are seeing now is the record chase, the exponential rise. That is, from experience, a collapse in the Bitcoin price is coming in the near future. Like I said, experience-wise, that doesn't mean it has to happen. In summary, we have two factors that form the risk for Coinbase stock. First, we have the hype factor on a huge company that is now publicly listed for the first time. And then we have the volatility and uncertainty that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin bring. So then, what is my conclusion and what will I do? The Coinbase IPO is a huge event. Therefore, all hell will break loose on the stock market that day. The company is growing steadily, delivered incredible quarterly figures, and has the position as a top dog in this sector. I think the platform is great. It's simple, straightforward, and trustworthy. I myself have built a small position in cryptocurrencies, and I don't want to give more weight in my asset allocation by investing in Coinbase right now. I prefer a direct investment in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I will not invest from the beginning as I simply classify too many factors as a risk. I therefore will look at everything first in peace, and who knows, maybe a one-time entry offers itself. I will be really interested in what you think of it and how you plan your investment. I hope as always you enjoyed the video. If you want to be a part of my wealth creation, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.